Viewers, we at Times Network have always put the focus on impactful storytelling, ensuring you get unbiased and factual reportage on every development from across the world. But today, we take a moment to celebrate the man under whose leadership the Times Group redefined the Indian media landscape. At the Managing India Awards 2026, the Managing Director of the Times Group, Vineet Jain, was conferred the Lifetime Contribution to Media Award for his legacy and leadership. Here's a report.
When it comes to the news landscape, the Times Group has dominated this highly competitive space throughout its existence. Setting the news agenda for the nation, the Times Group has always been the differentiator, bringing out change in society through its impactful storytelling. But this transformative brand could not be where it sat today without the visionary guidance and leadership of Mr. Vineet Jain, the Managing Director of the Times Group. And it's a moment of pride today when the leader at its helm, Mr. Vineet Jain, is honoured for his extraordinary contribution to the field of media. At the Managing India Awards 2026, hosted by the All India Management Association, Mr. Vineet Jain was awarded Lifetime Contribution to Media Award.
Today, the Managing India Award 2026, Lifetime Contribution to Media, is going to Mr. Vineet Jain, the Managing Director, Bennett Coleman and Company Limited.
We warmly welcome Mr. Vineet Jain onto the stage. We will request Mr. Sethi to please join for the award presentation and the photograph.
Thank you, Mr. Pradhan and Aima. It's a huge honor to receive this award. I would like to dedicate this to all my colleagues who have worked tirelessly to make the Times Group into India's largest multimedia company. The Times Group is #1 in every media vertical it has launched, and we'll keep on striving for excellence. Thank you.
सारे आवाड़ी अपने आप में नेशनल हीरोज हैं, ये इंस्पिरेशन है, सभी के अपने अपने का अचीवमेंट की स्टोरी है। इतने लोगों की जिंदगी के बारे में सोचना और बाकी सभी एक से बढ़कर एक जितने सारे अवार्डी थे, सब में मानविक संवेदनशीलता, सोशल सेंसिटिविटी प्रमाणित होती है। मैं देश की ओर से आपको शुभेच्छा देता हूं।
Under his leadership, the Times Group has gone on to become a brand that redefines storytelling in the age of technology and AI, and has remained an entity that has kept innovation at its forefront without losing focus on clarity and unbiased reportage. Long before Mr. Vineet Jain understood that the future of media wasn't just in the ink on a page, but in the heartbeat of a digital nation. From the sprawling success of Radio Mirchi to the visual powerhouse of Times Now, his ability to diversify and dominate is unparalleled. Mr. Vineet Jain's relentless energy and zeal to create a perfect brand that has set the Times Group apart from the competition, making it the pinnacle of the Indian news media industry. With the Lifetime Contribution Award, the AIMA is not just honouring Mr. Vineet Jain's career, but also a legacy that has fundamentally reshaped the landscape of the Indian media. Bureau Report, Times Now.
And that's all we got back for you in this edition. Keep watching Times Now. Good night.